Hi everyone and welcome. In this video we will see how we can use Node-RED as a soft PLC to control this Modbus I/O cards. Okay, so this two Modbus I/O card is brought to you by the Augmatic Technologies Private Limited, and they are the manufacturer of this card. Okay, so we have connected these two Modbus I/O cards serially with this ZLAN 5143D Modbus Serial to TCP Converter Gateway, and we have connected this gateway to our system using this LAN cable. Okay, so this converter is this gateway is converting Modbus serial data into Modbus TCP data, as well as it is also converting Modbus TCP data into Modbus serial data. Okay, so our Node-RED is connected with this gateway, and our Node-RED will send command to this gateway, and this gateway will send command to this two Modbus I/O card, and based on those commands this Modbus I/O card will operate. Okay, right now you are seeing that this LED is blinking at the rate of every 1 second. So that thing I have programmed in the Node-RED. Okay, and one more thing I have programmed in the Node-RED. So whenever I place some part on the top of my sensor, you can see the green LED is on. Okay, if I remove it, the LED is off. If I place it again, the LED is on. Okay, so that thing I have programmed in the Node-RED. So right now the Node-RED is working as a soft PLC. Okay, I also control the analog output of this card, okay, from the Node-RED dashboard. So if I want to provide 0.5 voltage to the external world, you can see here 0.52 voltage is out. Okay, if I want to provide 1 volt to the external world, then you can see 0.99 voltage is out. It's a nearly 1 volt. There are some errors in this DC voltmeter, so you can ignore those errors. Okay, if I want to provide 1.5 volt, then I can provide from Node-RED. Okay, so this Node-RED is acting as a PLC, and it is also controlling my digital input and digital output application. Okay, so if sensor sends something, then it is reading those values, and it is controlling the digital output from this device. Okay, and it is also controlling digital output automatically at rate of 1 second. Okay, so it can be a possible, and I have programmed the Node-RED. Okay, you can see this flow. I will provide this flow in the description of this video. Okay, you can download this flow directly from our GitHub repository. Okay, so that thing is possible to control your Modbus I/O card directly from the Node-RED. Okay, and in this case Node-RED is acting as a PLC. It is reading the status, and according to the status it is operating this two Modbus I/O card. Okay, we can change the voltage of this Modbus I/O card manually. Okay, but if you have some application, then you can control it automatically as well. Okay, right now I have some application to sense sensor data, and based on the sensor based on the sensor data, I want to turn on my green LED. So this is my one of the applications, so I can perform it, okay, using the Node-RED. And second application is to blink this LED at rate of 1 second. So it is done. Okay, and for that I have write a logic here. You can see here, this is the blink logic. Okay, so I have passed the trigger to turn on the value and turn off the value, okay, for this LED. And here I have write the logic in this function. Okay, so whenever my sensor value is high, I want to turn off the green LED. Okay, so right now my sensor value is high, so that is why I have to turn off that green LED. And whenever my sensor value is low, I want to turn on this green LED. Okay, so that logic I have written here, and based on this logic it will turn on or off my LED. Okay, so that thing you can do in the Node-RED. Okay, if you have multiple application, or if you have multiple industrial devices to control, then you can write a function for each one, and based on the function, okay, based on your logic, it will operate. So you can see your dashboard here, that my green LED is turning on, turning off, turning on again, turning off. And if I put something on sensor, then you can see sensor is high, and based on that green LED is high. Okay, and you can see DC voltmeter, it's set to 3.49 something. Okay, 3.49 you can see here, and the same value you are seeing here in the DC voltmeter. Okay, so you can use Node-RED as a soft PLC to control this kind of Modbus I/O card. Okay, so this Modbus I/O card is very useful. Without PLC you can control your industrial application. So it's a very great product. Okay, so I hope this thing is clear to you, and if you want to buy this Modbus IO card, then you can visit the Augmatic Technologies Private Limited website. Okay, I will provide the website detail in the description of this video, as well as you can contact on their salesperson number as you can see on the screen. Okay, you can directly call them to purchase this kind of Modbus IO card, and this Modbus IO cards comes in the various variants. So this is the Modbus Serial IO cards. Okay, if you want to buy directly Modbus TCP IO card, then you can also buy from Augmatic Technologies Private Limited. Okay, so here is the salesperson number, and here is the email ID to contact. So I hope that thing is clear. And if you still have any question or any doubt, then you can ping me on WhatsApp, Telegram, Instagram, anywhere, and I will provide this flow in the description of this video. Otherwise, you can directly visit our GitHub repository to download this flow. Okay, so I hope everything is clear, and we will meet you in the next video. And in the next video, maybe we'll see something else with this to Modbus IO card. Till then, take care, goodbye, and thank you.